Well, how's it going, everybody? Dan here. Wanted to jump on the beginning of the video here just to let you all know I appreciate the comments and the check-ins to see if I'm still alive. I have received most of them, but just simply haven't had time to respond until recently. Last weekend was the very first weekend this summer I've been able to work on my car for about 4 hours. But I did get a chance last night to finally start putting together this video on one of the portions of my car that needed the most work, and that's the dog leg right here on this back door that was crushed during the T-bone accident that we believe happened in early 1960s. Anyways, just want to jump on and say thanks for all the worry. I apologize for doing that to everybody and for delaying the next video. So hopefully we'll have more time now. My house is finally about 95% complete, so I've actually got time to work on my car. But anyways, you guys all take care. Enjoy this video. Again, I apologize for all the photos, but that's pretty much all I have from the beginning part of this project. So, but it'll show you some of the work that I've done so far on the body. You guys all take care. Have a good one, and please like and subscribe. Enjoy the video. Well, those of you that recall the first video, you got to see pictures of this poor car. But when I brought her home that one day back in August, we did pull the door off just so we could see some of the extent of the damage. As you can see, that quarter panel was in pretty rough shape. You can watch the work on that done in a different video, but in this video we're just going to talk about mainly the dog leg and the rear end of the rocker and our wheel well. Of course, as you can see, the cut right down the middle of it. I believe this was done when the car was originally wrecked. They couldn't roll it because the outer skin was pushing up against the tire. So rather than trying to pull it out some way, they just cut it and then jerked on it with a chain, is my guess. And as you can see, the dog leg was pretty damaged, as well as that rocker. I did get the wheel well patched first. That turned out pretty nice. I was pretty happy with that. In order to fix the dog leg, we had to actually cut it out, as you can see here. This is the inside of that dog leg. Here's the outside. There was some lead on the bottom. That's where the seam is filled at the bottom of the dog leg into the rocker. So pulled that off, did a lot of hammering and dollying and welding some small sections of metal back in just to clean it up. Most of the rust you see is just surface rust. There was no pitting or any severe problems with rust there. There was still some red oxide on there from the original primer, so that can be deceiving in the video. But as you can see, I got that plump section of the dog leg all hammered out. Looks really nice and smooth. I was really happy with it. Plus, I was able to shape the creases back into the dog leg back to original condition. So as you can see in this picture, there's a little bit of rippling going on there. That'll be just filled in with a little bit of filler to smooth it out, and we got it all done. So this section was where I had to add some metal. Did that and got it ready to put back in place. Here's another shot of the wheel well with the seam welded up. And as you can see, that inner wheel well, I had some patchwork started there. That's also in another video. Here's another piece of the dog leg that I actually had to replace because there was what it looked to be burn holes from a welding process that they tried to do a long time ago. And again, that dog leg looks, or excuse me, the rocker looks pretty bad on the end. So we cut a little bit of rust out on the outside. The rest of it looked really good on the inside. We patched in new sheet metal underneath the back side of that rocker. Looked really good, but I still put a small patch in it just to make sure it's a nice clean weld and smooth. Got it all back together and tacked in the dog leg and got it all welded up. So Here you can see I hadn't cleaned up the weld yet, but it turned out really nice. I was really happy with it. We also got our outer piece of that dog leg fixed up so that the door closes up and it leaves a pretty nice gap there. Had a little bit of smoothing out to do, but got that all done, and we put a little coat of primer on it just to make it look nice. And there you go. You have a door that closes and a rear quarter that looks great. Super happy with the way it turned out, and we're well on the way to getting this bodywork finished. So thanks for watching. Sorry for all the photos. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. I wanted to make it relatively quick. We're back at it here in the shop, and wanted to post a video after being on a hiatus for so long. Again, thanks for those interested in my well-being. I definitely appreciate it. I've missed posting videos, and I'm glad to get one out there now. So hopefully there'll be more to come. I'm going to try to focus on that now, because my house is starting to get under control. So we'll catch up with you soon. Like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. You guys take care. Cheers.